TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern time on Wednesday morning. 30 minutes to go until the opening bell, and we got markets right up there near record territory. Dow futures up 140 points, trading 29,368. S&P positive by 13 at 3370. That's only about 4 points from the all-time high. NASDAQ futures up 47 points, 95.74. Oil catching a bid this morning as well, up $1.13 at 51.07. We'll start things off. We're going to start it off with the VIX this morning. Volatility index pulling back under 15, 1464. Very little volatility priced into this market as we continue higher on a daily basis. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the Dow. As you can see, above, right where we are, actually, I should say, at 3:30 a.m., 29,379 was the high. We're right up at that level, 29,379 as we speak. NASDAQ 100 right up near the pre-market session highs as well, 95.78. Backing it up to where we were yesterday around the open Tuesday. Your opening bar acceleration, we made it as high as about 96.08. So you're talking about 20 to 30 NASDAQ 100 points. S&Ps backing it up till yesterday, right up near that level of 33.74, currently at 33.71. There's your crude oil market trading higher overnight, $51.09 right now, the price of crude. We get the EIA inventory an hour and a half from right now, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'll be on the air with Tom for those. Gold contract, 15.69 off the lows of 15.65 overnight. And the euro-US dollar trading a bit lower after accelerating higher, now trading just above 109 at 109.05. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, some of the reaction to crude, OPEC slashing oil demand outlook for 2020. But the key in here, the amended forecast likely to reinforce the case of a cut from OPEC to impose additional cuts sooner rather than later. So the market actually reacting to the fact that OPEC might have to act because of that decreased demand. OPEC downwardly revising its outlook for global oil demand growth to 0.99 million barrels a day in 2020. Down by 0.23. It's about a 23% reduction from last month's estimate. It's a big one. And in the world of earnings, Lyft beating but falling lower. To pull up Lyft shares this morning, LYFT looking to open about 51.20. You also had CVS earnings trading a bit higher at 75.50. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live right now with Trade What You See at 9. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all market day at TFNN. We'll be right back.